Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Edison lamps. Today we are going to make a mid-room lamp, that is two-side light lamp. This is very easy and this is very speciality and this is very special. This light is very easy to make and can check what all materials to be used. Here we are using the gear. This is a scrap gear. We painted both sides. So this is a base. Then the another thing is this is the reducer, 1 into 1.5 reducer. Then 4-way 1 number, T 3 numbers, 12 numbers elbow, 8 numbers hex nipple, 8 numbers 4-inch barrel nipple and 4 holders. So friends, we can start from the base. The second step is finished. In the second step, we have to start the wiring. This is a 2-cord wire and 4 wires are there. Yes, now we finished the circle assembly. See this one? It's fine. Next we can fit the holders. Yes, now the wiring is finished. Next we can make the final assembly. So every work is finished, then the last work we can fit the bulb. Okay, how is it? Now we can switch on the light. So the speciality of the light is, this is the two-side light. This we can kept in the middle of the two rooms. That is the more speciality of this light. So I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. So I'm signing off from Edison Lamps.